Rebuilding Day 2015 will see close to 300 volunteers come together to work on 13 homes, revitalize the playground at Hilltop Neighborhood House, and refurbish 4 ramp projects that make homes more accessible for the women and men who live there. We are so thankful to have people from Valparaiso University, as well as from businesses and faith communities across the city.
So appreciative, and we do. We want to be able to help pay this forward.
Yeah, definitely.
Because it's just an amazing experience. And we're just so wowed by this whole experience.